I'm gonna show you the ins and outs of one key thing and how I made $3,800 in 7 days. His name is Cam. He's an award-winning wedding photographer and filmmaker who has over 10 years of experience, who lives in Toronto while running and maintaining a viral Instagram account, getting thousands of views each day. Welcome to the channel. It's Cam from T.Pics, and I want to give you guys some amazing content. This is my first time jumping onto YouTube, but I want to make sure I provide you guys with as much value as possible. This channel is about photography, videography, and about marketing. For my 15 years plus of doing photography and videography, and now adding in the element of marketing, which everyone needs to know. So not only will you have the skill of photography and videography, but now you can do that and also market yourself to get a lot more clients in the door. I'm gonna show you the ins and outs of one key thing, and this is gonna be a later video, how I made $3,800 in 7 days. You're definitely gonna wanna stick around for that. Welcome to my channel.